This program is the solution for Chapter 4 operators. File, new file, file save as, Chapter 4 solution.py. And let's go ahead and put the comment in of this is what you have to do for the program. I pasted in the text, and I'm just going to go ahead and keep dropping that comment down to the next line. So this will tell us what we need to do for the program. So the first thing we need to do is we need to prompt the user to enter in the full names, birth years, the sum of the test scores, and the number of tests that made up that sum for two different individuals. And there's going to be 4 prompts for each individual. One for the full name, one for the birth year, one for the year, the birth year, and then one for the sum of all the scores and one for the test. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 prompts that we need. So we'll come right here and let's say S full name 1 is equal to input, because we want to get a string, enter the full name. And now that we've got the full name, we want the birth year. We want that to be an integer, so we'll say iBirth1. We know that we have to convert it to an int because input returns a string. Enter the birth year. And then we want the sum of the test scores. iSumTest. Once again, you have to convert to an int. And then the last thing for that individual will be how many tests. Actually, let's put a 1 on each of those variables so we know we're working with the first person. That does our first, and then let's go ahead and paste that in, and we'll change that to be a 2. And that will be our second individual. And then what we have to do is we have to print off the data in a format that looks like the following. So there's the full name. What do we notice about the full name? It's uppercase. Born in 1990, scored this many points. So there's the year they were born. There's the total number of points, the iSum of test. There's the number of tests. And then there's the average percent, which we can take that divided by that. And we can round it probably to 1 decimal is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and we'll have an iAverage1 is equal to iSumTest1 divided by iNumTest1. And then we will repeat that for the other individual. And then we need to print out that data. So we're going to print the S full name converted to uppercase. We're going to use concatenation. Make sure you put spaces at the end of those, otherwise it's going to jam things together. We need to put the birth year, but remember currently that's an int, so you have to convert it to a string so that you can concatenate. Scored. I'm going to continue this on the next line, so you can't just press enter. You have to do a slash, and that allows you to continue. And then we're going to print the number of points. Once again, you have to convert. We concatenate the word points on. We concatenate the number of tests. I have an extra space, sorry. And I'm going to concatenate, and once again I'm going to continue the next line. And actually, to make it more readable for you, I'll continue it right here. That way you can see it on one screen. And then this is where we want to do our rounding of the numbers. So what we could do is this. FAV1 is equal to round of I average 1, and we want it to have 1 decimal. And we can do the same thing for the other average. Now we could have just put all this in one big expression. Make sure you change that to be the right variables. And that's your call. In fact, we could have just done it right here. And so this will now be FAV1. At the same time though, we have to convert it to a string, and then we concatenate on a space with the percent. That's the first one. We do the same thing, we just copy and paste, and we change all the ones to be 2s. That's the second one. And then the last thing we need to do is we need to say, did S full name 1 dot upper score higher than, and I'm going to continue to the next line, S full name 2 dot upper, and then a question mark, and then we can just print the result of FAV1, I'm sorry, it's FAV1 greater than FAV2. And this will now do our comparison and print off a true or a false. So let's go ahead and run that, opening the terminal window. And we want to do a Python chapter 4 solution.py. We'll see what errors we have. First name is John Doe. Birth year was 1990. Test scores was 452. On 6 tests, the next person was Jane Eyre, born in 1789, scored 460 points on 5 tests. And it says that John Doe, born in 1990, scored 452 points on 6 tests for an average of 75.3. Jane had a 92.0. Did John score higher than Jane? False. And that's your solution for chapter 4.